Dear home buyers and neighbors, welcome to Frank Liu Open House. I'm the Avatar service of Frank Liu team. We're proudly presenting this beautiful home at 1410 Lundy Avenue, San Jose 95131. NFL or MAL model home. Over $500,000 in upgrades. Immaculate and impeccable condition. Gorgeous, well-maintained home situated in a highly convenient North San Jose location, offering 1,909 sqft, 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms and 1 half bathroom. This single-family residence is filled with natural light and features high-vaulted ceilings for an airy, grand atmosphere. The open floor plan includes a formal dining room, a family room with Pergo flooring, and premium vinyl flooring throughout both levels. The master suite boasts a double-door entry and vaulted ceilings, offering a private retreat within the home. The upgrades include Lennox A+ heating and AC, triple-pane windows, a fully upgraded kitchen with premium appliances, upgraded baths, fresh paint, new skylight, vinyl fencing, artificial grass, fully paved yards, and lush landscaping with mature fruit and flowering trees. Meyer lemon, Fuji apple, navel orange, plum, Asian pear, persimmons, avocado, Bartlett pear, calamansi, plus 11 maple varieties. Arbors and pergolas enhance the outdoor spaces. Minutes from BART, I-680, I-880, and I-101, Ranch 99, Costco, golf courses, and top markets, this move-in ready home shines with pride of ownership and unbeatable convenience. Don't miss your chance to own this upgraded gem in a prime San Jose neighborhood. The digital flyer, which has included the virtual tour home information, disclosure reports. If you have any questions, please contact listing agent Frank Liu at 408-828-0600 or 408-313-2688 and frank.liu1268, gmail.com. Again, thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.